Hi there everybody. Today we're going to be starting the Inktober challenge. If you're not familiar with that, that's fine. I'll explain it to you. Every day of Inktober you're supposed to draw something different, but each day has its own theme. Like today, the theme is poisonous. So something that we draw within the piece has to be related to the word poisonous. Sounds exciting, right? It's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm going to try to get as many done as I can within the month. But do bear with me if I can't get all of them. But anyways, we're going to get started on poisonous in 5, 4, It's Inktober day 1, guys, and I'm really excited about it. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, but we'll get into that later. Today for Inktober, the theme is poisonous. So I decided to go with something that I've been really watching recently. I've been watching Once Upon a Time, just finished up the series. It's a great series. I loved it. Anyways, there's a lot of poisonous apples in this, because if you haven't watched the show, it's based off of fairy tale people who are trapped in our world under a curse where they can't remember who they are. And obviously, who eats the poisonous apple? The one and only Snow White. Now, I know there's going to be haters out there that saying, you're doing a pencil outline. Well, you know what? Don't worry about it. That's how I do it. You do you, I do me. And honestly, I stopped the pencil outline at a certain point, and I didn't put much detail into it in the first place. I will admit, though, that the face gave me a lot of trouble. And honestly, I was trying to put a little bit of scenery in there, which is why I put a tree over to the background. And the grass honestly took forever to finish. In this Inktober challenge, I'm obviously going to be using micron pens for the most part, because they are my favorite instrument of ink. Honestly, my favorite part about this piece is most likely Snow White. Just the way she looks so natural, the way she's laying there, it looks just like she took a bite of the apple and just fell over. Now, when working on the grass, you gotta be careful about which direction the blades are going, otherwise it can look really unnatural. You gotta have them leaning one way or the other, or even straight up occasionally, but not too much. For most of my shading, I just used basic hatching, and for the trail, I also used hatching on that as well. Put a couple of rocks in there just to kind of add a little bit more to the scenery. Anyway, now that we're wrapping this piece up, I hope y'all really enjoyed this video, and watch this till the very end so you can find out how to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and check out 2 other videos that I've posted that you may enjoy. One tutorial and one art challenge I did recently of drawing Jacksepticeye as Spider-Man. There you have it, you guys. That's my first Inktober submission of 2018. Now, I just want to say real quick, thank you guys so much. I've got 1,000 subscribers now, and I want to reward you guys. The next 50 comments, I'm going to be choosing 10 people out of them comments to get a free piece of artwork of their choosing. So comment away and let me know what you think of my videos.